Hello and welcome back everyone. It's 2022 and I'm finally back with my videos. So this is my first video of 2022. I've been gone for a very long time. It's about 6 weeks since I posted a new video, but I'm back with some new ideas and some new dishes in the upcoming weeks. This time we'll be making some amazing pepper chicken. As the name suggests, the main flavor comes from the pepper. That's the black peppers which we'll be using, black whole peppers. Let's make some amazing pepper chicken. So for the pepper chicken, we don't need that many ingredients. We need chicken, finely sliced onion, green chilies. Optionally, you can also use dried red chilies. I would go for that if you prefer spicy. Fennel seeds, peppercorn and cumin seeds. If you don't have these whole spices, then don't worry, you can also use the ready-made powdered version. For the first step, we'll saute the whole spices and then make it into a fine masala mix. For that, we'll take about 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and to this we'll add about 2 tablespoons of black peppercorn. Once you've added that, we'll just saute these spices until they release their aroma. The main flavor in this dish, as you guessed it, is coming from the peppercorns. We don't want to put in a lot of other spices to complicate the dish. So anyways, we'll add some basic spices when we are preparing the dish. But this is the main flavor of the dish. And once they have released the aroma, we'll cool it down and make it into a masala powder. So now I've let the whole spices cool down. In the meantime, we'll take the same wok and add about 2 tablespoons of oil to this. Once the oil is heated up, I'll add 2 green cardamoms, a couple of cloves. We'll add some star anise and a couple of bay leaves. So once they release the aroma, we'll take about 3 to 4 split green chilies and add them. Optionally, you can add also some dried red chilies. I prefer it a bit more spicy, that's why I'm adding it. If you don't prefer it spicy, please avoid these red chilies. Along with this, we'll add the sliced onions to this and continue sauteing it. Once the onion starts getting translucent, we'll add in the chicken. We'll cover it up and let it cook for a bit. In the meantime, I'll check on the whole spices which we had roasted and prepare them into a powder. I blended the whole spices into the powder. So let us check how the chicken is coming through. Now we'll add this to the chicken. We'll add some salt according to taste. We'll continue cooking it further until the chicken is well cooked and the flavors are well infused. We cover it and let it cook. Once the chicken and the gravy is ready, you can turn it off and take it off the heat. Serve it with some rice or roti or naan. Pepper chicken is ready. So it's time to try this out now. Squeeze in some lemon. Here is pepper chicken. Oh, it's hot. It's the pepper which gives it that hotness. I feel that aftertaste of pepper. It's definitely overpowering the dish, and I'm glad that none of the other spices took over the pepper flavor. It's really good. It gives that hotness in your mouth, gives that warmth. Please do try it, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Until next time, happy cooking and get spiced.